This video guides you through pairing your smartphone with your Dacia Sandero's radio system for audio and calls. We'll cover models from 2011 to 2020. Note that Bluetooth availability varies by trim level. Higher trims usually have built-in Bluetooth, while base models may require aftermarket solutions. We will focus on both factory-installed and aftermarket solutions. Models covered: 2011-2020. First, determine if your Dacia Sandero has factory Bluetooth support. Check your owner's manual for Bluetooth information. Look for a Bluetooth logo on the radio unit. Typically, Comfort or higher trim levels from 2013 onwards are equipped with built-in Bluetooth. If you don't see the logo or Bluetooth support, you'll need an aftermarket Bluetooth adapter. First, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone and ensure it's discoverable. In your car, turn on the ignition and access the radio menu. Navigate to phone or Bluetooth settings in the radio menu. Select Pair a device or Connect, then choose your phone from the list. Enter the PIN, usually 0000 or 1234, and confirm on both devices. Finally, configure audio settings for A2DP and call settings for HFP. If pairing fails, start by clearing your phone's Bluetooth cache. This removes stored data that might cause connection issues. Next, reset the car's radio by holding the menu and power buttons for 10 seconds. This clears any system glitches affecting Bluetooth. Update your phone's firmware to the latest version. Outdated software can interfere with Bluetooth connections. Be aware that iOS updates can sometimes cause Bluetooth issues, requiring a manual reset of the connection in your phone's Bluetooth settings. If your Dacia Sandero lacks factory Bluetooth support, aftermarket adapters provide a practical solution. These devices retrofit wireless connectivity to older models without built-in features. Popular choices include Carling Kit and Jada Bluetooth kits. These affordable adapters typically cost between $20 and $100 and are widely available online. Connection is straightforward through either the aux input jack or the OBD2 diagnostic port under the dashboard. The OBD2 method provides more reliable power and data access. Many adapters support advanced features like Android Auto and wireless CarPlay, enabling seamless integration with smartphone apps for navigation, music, and calls through the car's display. To install an aftermarket Bluetooth adapter, plug it into either the aux port or the OBD2 port of your Dacia Sandero. These ports are located on the dashboard for easy access. Once installed, open the adapter's companion app on your smartphone and follow the pairing instructions. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and connect to the adapter. This setup bypasses the car's radio for audio streaming, but uses the adapter's microphone and speakers for hands-free calls. Aftermarket Bluetooth adapters can enhance your Dacia Sandero's connectivity, but they come with potential issues. Let's examine the most common problems and how to solve them. One common issue is audio delay, where some aftermarket adapters can introduce up to 200 milliseconds of lag. This affects music playback quality and can be frustrating during calls. Connection problems often stem from insecure adapter connections. Loose cables can cause interference, leading to dropped calls or poor audio. Make sure the adapter is firmly plugged into the aux input or OBD2 port. Reliability varies between adapter models. Some may suffer from firmware bugs, device compatibility issues, or pairing failures. Before purchasing, check user reviews on Dacia forums to find the most reliable options for your needs. For persistent issues, try clearing your phone's Bluetooth cache, resetting the car radio, or updating your phone's firmware to ensure compatibility. Hands-free calling significantly reduces distracted driving. Always prioritize safety by pairing your phone before starting your journey. For the best experience, keep your phone's Bluetooth firmware updated and consult your vehicle's manual for specific instructions related to your Dacia Sandero model and trim.